Hey guys, in this part we talk about video tag in HTML. To show a video in HTML, use the video element. So create a video tag and set width and height 300 and set controls to the video and create source. For video source src is I have a video in here and set the src to this and set type video and mp4. Save and reload. We have the video, we can pause, play and download it. How it works: the controls attribute adds video controls like play, pause and blow. It's good idea to always include width and high attributes. If high and width are not set, the page might flicker while the video loads. The source element allows you to specify alternative video files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. The text between the I create a text in the video tag. Your browser doesn't support the video tag. The text between the video element will only be displayed in browsers that don't support the video element.